Hey guys, welcome to Tech for X. Today we're here to talk about this solid state drive, right? Oh my god, I got a little. But anyway, this was given to me at Micro Center, and I wanted you guys to know also how you can make a quick $100. This is one of the easiest way. But first of all, we're gonna talk about this solid state drive, right? It comes at its retail price, it says, of $69.99, 256 gigabits. Now, from what I've experienced about solid state drives, they normally, when you benchmark it, specs, all that good talk, they basically are normally all the same. Leave in the comment section if you feel the same way. Unless you really know about this stuff, you're not even going to notice a mere slight difference in anything, whether it's the way it performs, the way it heats up. You're not going to be going in your PC all the time. Let me see if it's hot, what have you. But anyway, Micro Center is giving these things away. And one of the easiest way that you can make $100 is by sending one of the coupons over to your wife or your girlfriend or your brother, your mother, and you getting one of the coupons, and it's free. It really works. I wanted to put Micro Center to the test today, and I did. And in less than 20 minutes, I had over $100 worth of products from Micro Center. So I also got this boom Red Dragon speakers at Micro Center. Now, they may not be the best speakers in the world, but they Red Dragon. And they're price valued at $24.99. So I figure like together, $70 and $24.99 is approximately $100 with taxes included and all that. So that is the fastest way to make $100. And I say that because I know you're probably like, yeah, but you didn't make the $100. Now check this out. You do that 2 or 3 times, right? You get this products because you can put your name for one of these, a SSD card, and one of these, as long as it's 2 different products. I spoke to the guy. Now, what you cannot do is put your name and put it for 2 SSD coupons. You get it? You could be the coupon king and go in there for each product that they give a coupon for with the same name. Actually, when my wife showed them her the coupon that she had in her phone, because they send it right through message, you know how they got to scan it, it had my name on it, my address, my phone number. So I could have just put it on my phone. I just send it to her phone. I don't know. And it's both of them are on my same email. It had none of her information. So you could really say, like, I got both of these. I just send it to her to make sure that it says per one person. But what they meant is per one person each product and coupon. So I kind of like made it kind of crazy, and I didn't need her, but she came anyway along, and it was cool, right? Boom. So you can send 2 of these, one of each to you, to somebody else, 2 of them, or as many coupons they got, and you could place these on the marketplace. You could place them on OfferUp. You could place them on your own website. You could place them on your page, and they're gonna go within minutes, because there's a million people in the world looking for nice little budget speakers for their monitors that came without speakers normally nowadays, right? And if you place this for $20 even, people don't even know the price on it. I could go outside to the store in New York City and be like, hey, yo, Juan, let me get $50 for this. And he'll be more than happy. Let me see. It's for computer. Once you say computer, they think like it's top of. Oh my God, let me see. Oh, Dragon. And you show them, it lights up. Oh my God, send this to my country. And they feel like they got a crazy bargain. Now, are you robbing the man? No. You're honestly selling him something. And this is what I tell people in this crazy world of New York City that we live in, or wherever you're from. Some people don't take the time out to get hundreds of thousands of dollars legitimately, even this way, In less than an hour, you can make hundreds, believe it or not. And legit, because I've done it. And I've done it. You see here, I got the products. It works. I'll never lie to you. But they'll go out and they'll rob somebody, put a gun to their face, and get $5 and get 25 years. Or because you didn't have the patience to grab your phone. I did all that on my phone. I didn't even do it on the computer. I did send email, boo. They send the coupon to my phone. And I went in the store and you show them the coupon and they scan it. These are facts. And if you don't have a phone, guess what? That's no excuse, because I'll be 100 with you. The app that I used was Text Now. It's a free app that gives you a free way of calling as long as you have Wi-Fi. I don't know if you can see it right there. It says Text Now. You probably can't. But anyway, it's an app called Text Now at the Play Store. You can check it out. You can thank me later. You put your Gmail and you could call for free anywhere as long as you connect it to Wi-Fi. So there's no excuse to make money. I don't have a phone. Get any phone. Welfare clinics nowadays are giving people phones. These are facts. There's no way, no reason for you to be 100% broke in this world when there's ways to make money right in the palm of your hand. They put it legitimately. You're not robbing anyone. You're not bothering anyone. And you press, and when they're gonna send you the code. And you're going to press right here on where it says coupon. And it's going to take you to it when you're on your Wi-Fi. And you're going to have the coupon. You see the barcode there a little bit? And they scan that. Micro Center. And you get it. Facts. That really worked, bro. That was crazy. Leave in the comments what you think about it. Would you ever do something like that? But just in case you thought about it, if they're giving out the product and do you need to buy something? No, you don't. I didn't buy nothing. And I shopped for free. Made money. Oh my God. You can't get any better than that, bro. I promise you. This is not a sponsored video. I don't know nobody at Micro Center. I literally walked in there and left out of there with products without paying nothing. And they even gave me the receipts. I swear to God. Shout out to Micro Center.